Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to open a savings account in Commonwealth Bank. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you want to do here is you want to go to their website. So that's going to be combank.com.au/bank-accounts.html. Now once in their website, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and visit the sections here. So we have two options. We could choose an everyday accounts here or saving accounts and terms and deposits. Now you could go ahead and choose either ways, but for now let's just choose the all everyday accounts. Now from here it's going to load up another web page. Wait for it to load up, and from here to start creating your bank, just click on the section that says open now. Now it's going to ask you already a Combank customer or a new Combank customer. So choose the one that is suitable for you. So if you choose the section for already a Combank customer, you'll be redirected to a login page. But if you choose the open now section here for new customer, it's going to redirect you to a page wherein you need to provide a few details about yourself. So this application process may take about 15 minutes, so make sure that you have enough time to complete the whole process. Now from here, just click on get started, and it's going to ask you who is this account for. So you could choose just me or me and someone else, but for now let's just choose just me and just click on next. Now from here, it's going to ask you have any of these concession cards. So go ahead and answer that, but I'm going to answer no. Now from here, it's going to ask you want a savings account too. If you want that, go ahead, but for now let's just choose one of the options here. Now from here, it's going to ask you to tell about yourself. So this includes your title, your first name, your middle name, as well as your last name. And once you provide all these details, you just need to click on next, and from there you need to provide any documents or IDs that you need to start setting up your account. Now once you've completed the whole process, you just need to wait for Commonwealth Bank to reach out to you regarding your application, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.